Alright, today in this video we are removing this little guy from the inside of our home. He actually flew up into my 3-year-old's bedroom and has not left the window for a good 5 minutes or so. He definitely wants to go that way, not inward, which is good news. Not to say he can't, but here's how I'm getting rid of him safely. I could piss him off and try to hit him with a book and risk missing him and him angrily swarming toward me, but we're going to do it humanely and let him live, let him go. You would have the choice to not do so, but here's how we're doing it. Raising up the blinds, getting a bucket, or something with kind of a flat rim. When we press it, there we go. You're going to press it up against the window like that. Any lateral movement now, he can fly out. There's a hole created possibly, so keep it tight against the window. That's what I'm doing. And I took a little piece of laminated paper. You could get regular paper or a piece of cardboard. Just kind of slide it back there. Again, keeping that rim pressed firmly up against the glass. And then tipping it over. He is inside. This requires 2 hands now. One hand will create the paper like a hole. It'll crinkle in a way that he can possibly get out. So 2 hands, you can bring it outside and let the paper go, and he is free as a bird. And that is how you do it. Hopefully that's helped.